China's ambitious drive to dominate the skies has entered a new and critical phase as its sixth-generation fighter jet program advances rapidly, signaling a potential transformation in global air power dynamics. The program, spearheaded by the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, AVIC, and Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, appears to have accelerated beyond initial projections, drawing international attention and heightening strategic concern in Washington and allied capitals. Satellite imagery and defense intelligence reports indicate that China's research and development efforts for its next-generation fighter have reached advanced prototype stages, suggesting the aircraft may soon enter flight testing. This new fighter, often referred to as the successor to the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon, is expected to incorporate cutting-edge technologies that could redefine air combat capabilities. According to defense experts, China's sixth-generation jet may include artificial intelligence-assisted piloting, advanced stealth features, adaptive cycle engines for extended range, and integrated drone command capabilities, enabling it to operate as a combat hub for autonomous wingman drones. Some reports even speculate about the inclusion of directed energy or hypersonic weapon systems, technologies that could push the boundaries of current aerospace engineering. The push for this next-generation platform aligns with President Xi Jinping's broader vision of transforming the People's Liberation Army, PLA, into a world-class force by 2035. In recent years, China has dramatically expanded its defense spending, with a significant focus on aerospace and cyber warfare capabilities. The sixth-generation fighter initiative reflects Beijing's determination to reduce reliance on imported technology, achieve full self-sufficiency in military innovation, and eventually outpace the United States in air superiority. Meanwhile, the U.S. Air Force's own sixth-generation project, the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, faces mounting challenges. Although Washington remains ahead in terms of experience and global reach, the NGAD initiative has been slowed by budget constraints, political scrutiny, and the immense complexity of integrating next-gen systems across multiple platforms. U.S. defense officials maintain that the NGAD will deliver revolutionary capabilities, including modular designs, stealth improvements, and networked combat functionality. However, with China moving quickly and possibly nearing prototype testing, concerns are rising that Beijing could narrow or even surpass America's technological lead within the decade. Strategic analysts warn that this escalating competition mirrors the Cold War-era arms race, only now driven by artificial intelligence, data integration, and digital warfare. Both nations are investing billions into research and development, leveraging quantum computing, advanced materials, and autonomous systems to redefine how future wars might be fought. If China's sixth-generation fighter achieves operational readiness before the NGAD, it would mark a historic turning point. The first time in modern history that the United States has been overtaken in frontline fighter technology. Beyond the technological race, the implications for regional and global security are profound. The deployment of a sixth-generation fighter could dramatically alter power balances in the Indo-Pacific, where tensions over Taiwan, the South China Sea, and freedom of navigation continue to rise. A faster, stealthier, AI-driven Chinese jet could enable Beijing to project power deep into contested areas, challenge U.S. carrier strike groups, and deter allied air forces across Asia. It would also provide China with a stronger deterrent posture in the face of growing Western defense cooperation, such as the AUKUS Pact between the U.S., UK, and Australia. Military observers note that China's defense strategy increasingly emphasizes intelligentized warfare, integrating big data, cloud computing, and unmanned systems into its combat architecture. The sixth-generation fighter is expected to serve as the centerpiece of this approach, operating in conjunction with advanced drones, long-range missiles, and networked command systems. This integration would allow the PLA to conduct precision strikes, electronic warfare, and surveillance with unprecedented efficiency. The U.S., for its part, continues to prioritize innovation within the NGAD framework, with officials suggesting that a prototype has already flown in secret. Still, the secrecy surrounding both programs means the true extent of progress remains uncertain. Experts agree, however, that whichever nation first deploys a functional sixth-generation fighter will shape the global balance of power for decades to come. As the air superiority race intensifies, the world watches closely. The emergence of sixth-generation fighter technology marks not just an evolution in aviation, but a revolution in warfare itself. In this new era of global competition, dominance in the skies may no longer belong to the United States alone, as China's accelerating aerospace ambitions threaten to rewrite the future of air combat.